This was the Skyland, right? Something or other. There's a restaurant and hotel in there, but we got a bite to eat. And back out on the trail, got some water as well. And sorry I didn't video this morning. My phone died last night. Didn't have any charge on it at all. So couldn't video anything up until this point. But anyway, as you can tell, you can't see a doggone thing. It's pretty foggy. But I got 7.8 miles left and trying to get there at a reasonable time. It is 2:07. So I don't know, trying to get there so we can do laundry. And there's a truck coming. But I will see y'all later at the campsite. Well, we got some horses here. Look at that. There's a ton of them back there that you can't see, but anyway, they're eating and we're hiking. And you know what? We've got to laugh a little bit while we're on trail because well, today is kind of bringing us down. It's so muggy. But getting to a campsite today and hopefully going to be able to do shower and laundry, but the campsite is huge and it's mainly for car camping, so that will be interesting. Hello, squirrel. Jeez, he took off. But anyway, I will see y'all down the trail and show what I can, but most likely you're probably gonna see fog. Alright, well here's cliffs, and that is the view. Can you see anything? Nope, not a single thing. Got some nice cliffs. Got some nice tree color. Pretty awesome. I think I got about 1.7. Just enjoying not really much of anything today, actually. It's been muggy and wet, and it's about to get really cold tomorrow. But anyway, I will see y'all down the trail. So we're in Big Meadows Campground, which is a huge campground in Shenandoah. And has a lot of people car camping in it, and people with nice motorhomes that are dry and warm. And I can't wait to get my shower and water and food. It's gonna be great. But at first, we're gonna find the park office, which we have no idea where it is. Probably right in front of us. Anyway, I'll see you at our campsite. Just showing the campground a little bit. Got some picnic areas over there. I think there's some cabins for rent as well. There were a ton of deer just walking right through this, and I can imagine why, because there's some apple trees here, and there's food from all the visitors that are left out, and it's a big campground, so you know, you can get food about anywhere. But there's showers in this building here and laundry in this one, and Well, let's say laundry is $1 to wash and 25 cents for every 7 minutes to dry, I think. And a shower is $1.75 for like 5 minutes and 25 seconds. So, and they do not have towels for you to use. You have to bring your own, or you have to purchase them for $5, and a washcloth for $1, and shampoo is a couple bucks too. So, anyway, a little bit expensive, you know, more expensive than a hostel, but anyway, here's the campground, and our tent site is way over there on the other side of the campground. Gonna try and find something to eat, and I will see y'all tomorrow.